How to install Stremio on Android phone. How to install Stremio on Android phone. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on source icon and search for Stremio. Now tap on install. Now wait for some time. Now click on open. Now sign in into your account, or you can also create your account. Now after signing in, so after signing in, you can use the application to stream movies, series, or any YouTube channels. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe us and for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.